everybody! Today we are making a luminary. I mean a luminary. So we need a bag, tissue paper, and construction paper, a light, a Sharpie or a marker optional, wax paper, glue, and scissors. The wax paper a little bit smaller than the bag. So next we draw our tree trunk on the wax paper. And you have to color it in. This is your tree trunk. So next you take the tissue paper and use it for the leaves. I think I cut a little too much. Once you are done coloring in, you gotta flip it over and cover tissue paper all over. Go back. A rectangle in the paper bag. We have asked a grown-up. So now we can take our glue stick and glue the outside of the rectangle. Nice and slow. Perfect. Next, we take our tree trunk and voila, we place it on that glue. So you make your window out of cutting strips of construction paper. So we are circling the tree and its leaves with glue. Extra, and the reason why we have extra is because we're making a window, because this trees go in a backyard, so we're making a window from the parents or maybe a child's room, and they're looking at a tree with beautiful flowers. Then let it dry. And these candles are for putting inside for maybe a nightlight and what is it? A paper bag luminary.